The Quick menu lets you quickly switch signal sources, adjust display colors, and set audio modes. First, open the main toolbar and tap the menu icon to access it. It has 3 sections: General, Display, and Audio setting. The General setting provides 8 fixed signal source options, including the built-in Android system, 3 HDMI ports, 1 DP, 1 VGA, and 2 Type-C signals. The PC signal icon appears only if the OPS module is installed. Connected devices show a green dot, disconnected ones show a gray dot. Just tap on a channel icon and the display will instantly switch to that source. The brightness slider is at the bottom left, and the volume slider is at the bottom right. You can move the sliders to adjust the levels. Next, display settings, which primarily allow you to adjust the overall screen color tone. Brightness is preset to automatic mode, which adjusts automatically based on the surrounding environment. You can also enable power saving mode and eye protect mode as needed. In the Image Mode menu, you can select different color modes to suit various usage scenarios. Finally, audio settings offer multiple sound modes, with standard as the default. Selecting custom mode lets you manually adjust sound effects for optimal listening.